all these are on sale. Every single one of them. It's a women's. I'm starting to really wonder if Sage actually is the worst luck ever.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Okay, so we are at the warehouse today. I came over here to visit Robin. Robin, say hi.
Hey.
Anyway, we're gonna pull a bunch of clearance items to wear on our bear hunt tonight. Tonight we have a bear hunt with Sage Davis, so from Chasing Moby, super excited. This is what you're gonna see right after this. I'm at the warehouse to get him some shirts, some hats, all the stuff that we're gonna wear tonight. It's all gonna be clearance items. Our website right now there's a lot of stuff all over the place on the website, but kind of just want to show you what do we got, Robin. So we're gonna put Sage in that. We'll put Sage in that. Troy in that. Someone will wear a Doug Flutie shirt. Maybe I'll wear the elk skeleton. And we're putting
a special one for Wes.
Oh, it should be a good night. So anyway, so yeah, all these hats too as well. All these are on sale. Every single one of them. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I cannot wait to see Weston in his schmedium women's shirt tonight.
You ready to shoot a bear?
I am so ready. I'm ready to just see one. I don't even know if they exist anymore.
How many miles have you put on your other car looking for bears?
Right around 2,400 miles, but I blew it up at like 1,900 miles. No, not quite there. I blew it up. It's halfway in between season, and then had to and I'm still looking for bears. And now I'm still driving it again. That's how long it's been since I've seen one, so pretty exciting.
Let's get one. What'd you go with?
I went with the healthiest choices possible, you know. Some jacked up on Mountain Dew, and then these are actually really good. Some pretzels.
Sugar.
Next stop, Bearwoods.
Trent, Mr. Steve just showed up, and they are leading us to the bears, which I'm very excited about. I still don't believe they're real, because I haven't seen one in like 36 days, but they say they're still real. So here we go.
These are all sale items, bro.
They're all next up to
Do you want that, or do you want the elk skeleton?
Oh, this one.
That one?
Yes, because it's got horns. See?
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Weston, I got you a special one. It's an XL though. Will you be able to fit it? It's a women's.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, you're wearing this.
Dude, you gotta run that.
You gotta run that.
It'd be awesome. I mean, look, dude.
Are you joking?
It'll go with the getup, dude. It'll go with the getup.
Dude, it was on sale. I was told just bring sale items. So
Yeah, I like that.
all sale items have been brought.
Sale items.
I
It's a
think
free
I'm
item.
most likely going to realize the amount of LBs I've put on in the winter right about now.
I thought for sure it was gonna be that.
Straight up. We don't have a V-neck woman's shirt.
Really?
I don't think so.
Okay, listen.
Dude, it's an XL. Do it for the sale, bro. Do it for the sale. Do not flex in that shirt.
I'm not.
That's great.
Oh, that looks so perfect.
Now on sale at the cornerracedOutdoors.com.
That is beautiful.
Is it Merino? Oh, that's all Merino. It's all Merino. Yeah, it's all Merino. That's it. So much.
Gotta capture it as it comes, man.
Steve,
Yes, sir.
how many man hours have you put in the Bearwoods this year?
A lot,
A lot?
a lot. But it's been well worth it because last weekend we were very successful with our hunt winners and our friend JD, so it was well worth it for me. So another bear tonight. We should find something tonight.
Why this one for the bears?
No, it's not the only clear cut around, but you know, last year we saw quite a few bears in here. There's units beyond this, but this year we haven't seen a bear in here yet. But personally for me, this is not the growth I like to hunt for spring bear. I like the newer units with the fresh shoots, but you never know. You got to check them all. I'm hoping we'll see one in here, because last year there was bears in here, but I like the newer units.
Gotcha. There's one.
Got one? Got one.
Sure?
No.
Oh, never mind.
What is that? That's that cow. Is that a black cow?
I see nothing else.
What is it? Spotted an elk. I don't know if it's the way the sun's hitting it or what.
Oh, he's gonna be a good bull.
Is he?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
So spot number 1 did not work out for the bears, but we saw a couple bulls that, looking at them this time of year, they're going to be good Pope and Young bulls. So we're going to hit the next spot where the 9 bear hole. Fingers crossed it works out. That's good.
Yeah.
There's been a bear up high on the ridge, so they're moving. So hopefully we'll find them.
I can't help but laugh at you every time I look at you. There's a new fresh pile in the road down there, so there's at least one more bear in here. I don't know how much we trust this. Where did that bear go, Steve? Between the 3 units, we gotta be able to.
There's got to be something.
Yeah. Gotta be able to. You're going with him. Okay. Y'all in?
So what are we gonna do?
We are going to leave Trent, Sage, and Wes over here on this ridge, and we're gonna go hike and check another unit on a separate ridge system. It's gonna take us a little bit to get there, but if we find something early enough, then we can get them over there, and Sage can shoot a bear. So I wouldn't be surprised if they don't see one here before we get out there, but we're gonna go try that side.
I'm starting to really wonder if Sage actually is the worst luck ever, because we have not seen hide. No, we saw hide. We saw elk hide, but we haven't seen hair yet. No bear hair. So I'm going to take off up over this. I'm going to run over this hill back over here, and there's another unit back in there, and I'm going to just see if I can't spot anything in there. You guys are staying here. Steve is on a different unit, surround and drowned. All right, we got to break the curse. Got to break the curse. So I will hopefully see you guys soon. Okay.
Well, we hiked out to this unit and hoping we'd see a bear, but we didn't see anything tonight. So haven't heard back from Trent. Hopefully they find a bear. Kind of discouraging after seeing 18 in 4 days on these same ridge systems. Not seeing anything tonight, that'd be pretty discouraging, but it can happen. It's bear hunting. So we'll just, we're gonna hike out of here, and hopefully we get a text from them that they're shooting at a bear. So sucks, but it's hunting.
Okay guys, so with bear hunting, it really sucks because there's so much that happens in the evening, and you always feel like you're racing against the clock, racing against the sun going down, which is exactly what's happening right now. But the thing with bear hunting is, the closer it gets to just black night darkness, your chances improve of seeing a bear. So right now it's kind of like the frantic, gotta spot a bear, gotta get it done real quick before that sun goes down. But at the same time, your chances are going up as the evening progresses. 8:06 right now, got about 30-ish more minutes of flight, and that's all we got.
Dang it.
We tried.
Yeah? I don't know.
You think heat?
I don't know.
I can't imagine it. I would have thought
It's been
before dark
super
they
hot
would've
the last
been
couple
out.
days. I thought they would
Hot.
have came out there tonight.
We tried though.
Oh, for
We're
sure.
all still dear friends.
Dear friends.
Kind of. I really regret giving you a hug, let alone shaking your
Yeah,
hand.
I know.
Pretty sure
I told you it's contagious,
I am
man.
cursed.
A lot of people didn't believe me, but it's thick. The curse is strong.
Bottom line.
You know what? It started out with steelhead though. I have
I
not
know.
had this translated into bear hunting yet. This is new.
It's a
this year.
big step for you.
It's a big step, yeah. Groundbreaking, really.
Anyway, we had fun though. Did you guys
Yeah.
have good? Did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah.
For sure.
It was a good time. Thank you guys so much for watching this. The Bear series continues. Whatever. I'm good either way. Predator series continues, guys. We're going to keep coming at. We're going to bring this guy back, and we're going to actually, even if we have to shoot the gun ourselves, we're going to kill one for him.
They just weren't big enough. That's all. I wasn't-
Size.
Yeah, it was size. That's
Size.
what it is.
All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
I got a fire in me, you're gonna set to burn.